The first time I had sex, I had to ask myself that question.
How old were you?
Because I don't think I've really processed.
How old were you? How old were you?
I feel like I don't want to divulge your information because I don't want to look bad on the internet. But at the time, I was 19 and I was seeing someone, like officially in a relationship.
Okay.
But then, did
you plan for it?
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Mine was very planned.
Yes.
So mine was planned from the start with who, what day, how it's going to happen.
Lubricant, condom.
But the problem was, when I planned it, at the time, because I had the fear, so like even my friends confirmed ukuthi nabo kuzobe namhlanje abakwazi. So I was like, you know what, no, angekwazi. Ngcono nginikeze someone else that I don't care about, but I feel like I'm going to be safe with them. So I started to speak to umuntu eceleni while I'm in a relationship with this person. I know.
Oh my God.
So nje eshembandla experience engaba nayo nemnandi nje ngifuna ukudlala ngani ngingantshenje imnandi ukuthi ayi ngathi umuntu ayi ngathi unginikise but nje kwakumnandi angifuni ukuqamba amanga yabo ngathi nje ungaba nezinto zokuthi ngathuka lokuthiwa namhlanje sekubreak nakalala sekubreak yabo kuba mnandi yes athona la nje ngifuna ukusho nje iqiniso libe lihle nje ukuthi no yabo nje ngathi ngaba nemalanga ukuthi namhlanje ngiyabreak mhlawumbe ngiyabreak kunalokho yabo but I don't enjoy shame sex nje ukuthi jawulewe gazi nje ngaphinde ngibreak.
Sanibonani babukeli be-Black Life TV, igama lami nguSandile Usendwa kanene ngifika nje nohlelo olwethu olushasha olubizwa ngokuthi ubulili bami izwa ngathi. Lapho esizobe sicelebrate khona abantu abathandana nobulili obodwa. Sicelebrate nabo sebanengxoxo nabo omunye nomunye bazofika bezoshare istory sabo esispecial nje ngoba siyazi ukuthi uJune unyanga wabo labantu abathandana nobulili obodwa. Njengamanje ngihleli no Cade kanye no Andile bawobhuti. They have something special to share. Sanibonani guys and welcome to Black Life TV.
How are you, Sandy?
Ngiyaphila. Ngicela ukuthi uintroduce nje wena. Ngiqala ngawe Cade. Ungitshela ukuthi yena wazalwa ubani, wazalelwa kephi, ukukhula kwakho nje.
Okay, so igama lami lokuzalwa enganikeza abantu basekhaya because abazalwa ngobanqaba
uSiphiwe by the way.
But I go by the name of Cade. Ngikhulele khona la eKwaZulu Natal endaweni ekusile Sentuzuma, ngizalelwe khona abazali abakhona.
Yes.
Mase ngichazele ngami kuningi. Yeah, it's a lot.
Kuningi. Yeah, Andile. Ngicela ukuthi usho.
Mina igama lami nguAndile Khuzwayo. I'm based in Durban. So khula nje kwami abazali bami nabazalelana nje abala KwaZulu Natal.
Yeah.
So
guys, by the way, niyaxaya ukuthi yena indaba bona sikhethe ukuthi sibafake bobabili. Kwabangazi ke uAndile no Cade oma wabo bandawonye bawosisi. And futhi baphila lempilo le. Ngifuna nje because omunye umuntu engabuza ukuthi yena hayibo lo omunye uthole influence kulo omunye kwenzeka kanjani. I know ukuthi yena Simphiwe Cade wena omdala ngicela ukuthi ungichazele ukuthi kwaba kanjani wena because you were the first ukuthi yena aphume emndenini.
Ngingasho ngithi ekhaya we didn't really have accept. I wouldn't say about accepting from the get-go.
Yeah.
There was a lot of confusion. Because we didn't understand. Case especially because nginobhuti omdala. So kukhule kukhona umfana ekhaya omdala kunami wenza izinto ezinto abafana. So mina I am doing the opposite than what he's doing. Ngikhule edlala ibhola, edansa eneyintombi eziningi. Mina ngikhule ngingadlala ibhola, ngingadansi, nginganazi intombi eziningi. So istory sami nje sasisolisa vele kukhona futhi nakhona ekaba bekubona because ngangihlezi but abufana nentombazane like bahlezi basho into kanjalo. So nami ukuthi nganga understand ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi bakhuluma ngani yini abayibona engayiboni mina because mina ngangibona umfana lo kuthiwa vele nguyena but then ngibe confused ke mase sekuthiwa umfana ofana nentombazane ngumfana okhuluma njengentombazane ngumfana
compliment omuhle
manje seka-understand kwaba compliments ngaleso sikhathi ngangi-confused yabo so nakhona iminyaka engaka ngasho ukuthi ngaqala khona ingale minyaka le sesino-9 10 11 la bafana sebaqala bayashela ngama-valentine babhala iy'ncwadi so sengiyabuka na ukuthi akekho umuntu engifuna ukumbhalela incwadi like I don't have a desire to write for any girl and I was okay with that because nakhona angikhulanga kukhona ama-pressure from mhlawumbe ubhuti wami omdala ukuthi angenza izinto ezenziwa abafana cha kwakukhona nje lo ma-comments
nishiyana eminyaka emingaki
mina
I'm 21
and I'm 25.
Okay, can you speak about you and your coming up? Ukuthi yena awuma wakho engasho ukuthi hayi ubukela umaganga.
Yeah, shema ngifuna ukaba manga kanjalo nje into engenza ngiphathe kabi ukuthi okay aba understandable ukuthi kahle kahle mina ngiyazazi ukuthi ngubani yabo noma ngimncane but ngakwazi ukuyibona ukuthi okay kahle kahle mina ngiuhlobo lomuntu kanje because seyikhona example emndenini yabo so uma khona example emndenini sekulula for mina yes kwakunzima for wena but mina sekulula for mina sekuyazenzakalela because baba noma bengabe acceptanga party because babe seyibonile ukuthi okay isho ukuthi sikhona into kanje emndenini so kwabe ngazi ukuthi umakhelwane nakubantu abaningi kwabe ngazi ukuthi mhlambe sekuyinto engasi fashion ngiyakopela noma ngiya-influenceka yabo naye womthelelo omubi kuyena yabo but mina angifuni nje uqamanga akuzange kube nzima kakhulu because uye wangiphungulela shema umthwalo wami wangiphungulela umthwalo wami because kwavele nje kwabalula for mina yes it was hard for uma but wakwazi ukuhamba ngesikhathi ukuthi agcine acceptile ukuthi okay kahle kahle shuthi la ekhaya
kanje ngoba phela ngabe bedlala ngabe influence to because nama looks ahlukahlukene
exactly
Kate cross dresses and then when it's the guys look and that with that feminine touch
ikencane nje
ne makeup uyayifaka
yes on special occasions yabo on events nje into ekanjalo
ngoba uthi noma wakho kwaba khona isikhathi la wenga kwamela ukuthi aze understand where something was a difficult in a way for yena because I'm sure as much as yena wezwana nathi groove nathi mhlawumbe kanjani kodwa
kuyinto abeyibukela kude ebuqaba makuyena but yabona yena I think ngokwakhe I think to be honest I think mhlawumbe umzali ngokwami mina ngeyami perspective ngokubuka kwami ukuthi umzali I think mhlawumbe ingane isuke ibuka usuke ibona I mean but kube ukona ukuthi mhlawumbe usuyenda efuna ukuthi azazi mhlawumbe bene show ukuthi okay fanele izizi confirm leyo ukuthi okay mina ngekanje yabo mase accepta from lapha axoleke meyixola inhliziyo akwamukele lokho yabona because ekugcina usuku mfethu akekho umzali ungakwazi ukubona ingane yakhe ukuthi kanjani iqiniso lihle nje umzali ingane yakhe uyayazi
ukumtshela nje ukuthi yena oh shame manje wena you had it easy mina ngazokwenza lokho
I don't feel the need ukuthi ngimtshele lokho because funa khona njoba ngisho ukuthi nakumina it was not exactly ukuthi kwakuyenzima kakhulu ukuthi njoba ngisho it was a bit confusing because njengoba ngiyithola mina ongizama ukuyithola ukuthi mina who am I and nasekhaya they were also trying to figure out who am I ngaleso sikhathi leso and ngingasho ngisho ukuthi yena lento yokuthi uma umuntu ophila emhlabeni you never really know who you are up until ngingasho ukuthi umuntu mhlawumbe you know a pensioner kodwa because you always evolving you always changing you always finding things about yourself and nasekhaya baze ba understand manje ukuthi yena the time betold uAndile ukuthi naye uAndile happens to be gay just as I am babe itshelisa uAndile uzo imitate mina uzowenza into enziwe mina in terms of like being super feminine like it's no Andile with a total opposite ubona uAndile mina singasibona phela mase sosibuka kahle but as fun we are like night and day uAndile he's very bubbly you know like flamboyant outgoing ngathi imnyango sketching mina I'm more reserved indoors total opposite.
So when did you start also when manje and showing this now? Because I think you're really brave. Because kwaba ngazi
kade aqala
ngicabanga ukuthi yena oh no you just dressed up for the cameras and stuff but mina ngiyazi ukuthi yena oh no sisi u dress up kanje vele uyaluka vele uyahamba vele entuzuma kakhulu
yabo nje into edlisa ngayo kudala kwamachoka
khumbula kahle
athi pink lipstick noma red band wayaziwa ngalokho because kubonakala nje yabo from that time nje unye kwagcina sekuzenzakala ukuthi okay siyambona ukuthi okay uGersho usayithanda izinto yabo uthanda ukuba muhle kwayilokho kwahamba sambona ukuthi okay should ngoba ibeauty into ayithandayo wafunda from lapho kwayibona ayikho into ayenza njengobuso ayikho into ayenza njengobuso
into ezami ukisho ukuthi ngiyibhede.
yebo
Going back to the question, ngingasho ngithi more ingane, especially more yomfana, because I remember every time if we were going out Snoma, like mina nosisi wami uphakathi nathi, she would dresses us up yabo, like masaqeda ugeza ayinele lezo zinto. Around the age of like 9, 10 ngangisengiba nenkinga yabo, like ezongishaya nge-2-piece eNike, skid eNike,
like imchita vibes.
I would just not feel the vibe yabo. It got into an extent where la ngathi khona if ngingeke ngikwazi ukugqoka into efunwe yimina ngicela uhambe nawe. Mind you, at that time ngangaqala ukugqoka izinto ezifeminine. Ngangisengifeminize zona ingubo zami.
Okay, yes.
Wabona lapho ukuthi okay no, like actually no, serious, like ngale question la yona ukuthi uyiyona, but like wabona lapho ukuthi no, okay, like akudlali serious. So ngingasho ngithi around the ages of 10, 11 I've started nje dressing up to how I feel. Because as much as I look like this njalo ngihlangana nami every time I'm out or events, but I also have days where I just feel like I'm not case. If that makes sense. Like I feel like ngathi ngingayibona ngisho I just have those days where ngizofaka ibonnet. Because ngathi ngingaba in touch with that masculine side of me, the low side lomfana bami. I have those days, and I also have days like this where I'm just like super feminine, very outgoing.
Ngibona ukuthi I know that some people that cross dress bafaka amabele, like bafaka ama-bra and you don't. I have this other friend of mine naye othina, no, at the end of the day I know that I'm a guy. Just because I dress up like this I don't want to mislead abantu baze bacabanga ukuthi hayibo intombazane le, umuntu ngifuna ukuthi abone ukuthi hayibo kahle kahle ngumfana ekugcineni angiwafaka amabele. Can you tell me about your decision deciding not to put amabele? And
okay, so mina i-identity yami identify as umuntu wesilisa. That is my identity. And my sexuality is I am queer. Meaning I'm in touch with the feminine side and the masculine side. I have those days where ngaqoka i-track pants, ngifaka iskipa, i-hoodie, yabo nje ngathi ngaba kanjalo ngalelo sonto nje. I have those days, and I have days where ngiyazizwa ukuthi I'm so feminine. Ngathi nje installer like just look look nice. I have days like that. So when it comes to mengi feminine kanje ngikuleyo era yami, I ngithanda ukuthi ngikumixe, given an element yokuthi noma kuthiwa uyangibona from afar ngibona ukuthi okay no umuntu wesilisa but then unobuntombazane, but like ayibona leyo nto for it to make sense also nawe ukuthi umuntu enguyena uzombona, because I feel like sengifaka amabele nanani I might as well, because at that point if sengifaka amabele should I'm at a point where I feel like ngumuntu wesifazane. Now then I will not identify as umuntu queer, then ngizobe sengumuntu transgender, sengiqala ngifaka ama hormones and all that stuff, of which I feel like njengamanje kwisimo engikusona sekwempilo or isikhathi I don't feel that way.
And you don't know, maybe ungashintsha
probably maybe next year.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Andile, let's speak about when you deciding to wear makeup but also dress up kanje ngalendlela lokugqoka ngayo, because some people, because I know that you do wear makeup, can you tell me about that?
No, ngifuna manga experience ungiqala nje experience i-boys makeup. I was nominated to be MC ku Durban Boys in Hills. I was the first MC with Durban Boys in Hills. So I was okay, yathi category face card. I was like okay, angayingish angipendwe nje ngoba ngilokho ngisaba ngathi okay no manje ngicela ukupendwa, ngicela ukuba muhle yabo. Wangenza sengenzile from that time wangifundisa wathi uzenze kanje ngiphinde ngikwenze uma ufuna uba muhle uzoba kanje. Wathi engenza wathi njengoba ngenza kanje wena njengoba ngikwenza awuthuli uyafunda ukuthi wenza kanje wenze kanje wenza kanje. Ngalelanga ngithe semesenza makeup ngaphinde wathi zenzeke manje ngithatha isibuko wenza izinto wenze lento ade ukuthi uma usuqedile okunye ungibuza ukuthi ufuna kuphi ngizobe ngithatha ufake umix naloko. Bagcina ehlanganeni manje nje sengiyakwazi ukuzenza yabo uma ngabe ufuna ukuhamba noma engekho wena yabo, okusho ukuthi khona okuhle ngikufunde kuyena yabona ukuthi nami ngagcine ngifikile.
I love your relationship, and because okay, it is very difficult to get, and now if it's a very difficult time to call your mom and say, and the relationship that you guys have. You suggested him not knowing ukuthi vele na I wanted him yabo can you tell me ukuthi kubaleke kanjani ukuthi nezwane especially nina ke nikwi Alphabet Gang especially nibambane as a family nje as abayingane zandawona
anje angifuni qamba ngicela ukuphendula qala umbuzo angifuni qamba uma ukuthi ngithole kahle into enganjalo ngeke ngithi mina kwi LGBTQI ku community yethu nje ngeke ngithi mina as much as ngibona ukuthi kunako ukukhilisana ne competition yaba khona but ngifuna ukubuyela kwi question yakho ukuthi uma ukhuluma ngothando nokuncikana kubalekile ukubambana because sibhekana nezimo engafani each and every day noma sinesikhulume ngazo zonke insuku ukuthi ngibene semisithile but uzokwazi ukungibona mangekho right so ngoba masisi ukuyaka from relationship yethu ukuthandana kwethu so akekho umuntu umuntu ongena phakathi kwethu yabo because noma ngeke ngithi bengike ngincinele kuyena but ziningi into engiyifunde yena sedlule kuzona mina engakazi ngidlule kusona so ukuthandana ukuthi kuhlangane kanjalo uyakwazi ukushare izinto kumina angisharela no watch out bheka kanje kwenziwa kanje so ngiyasizakala nami somehow so ngeke ngize mina ngingamthanda umuntu okanjalo okwazi ukungisiza uyabona ukwazi ukuphila kahle
how is the lento leyo ukuthi oh my gosh I have a little brother that I need to look out for because yazazi abantu zenze njani they go through a lot they do a lot of things they are wild they sleep around they do this they bayifake ezimweni dangerous uyibona bayifake lokho kuphatha kanjani how is that journey is Andile make it easy or kanjani
I think mina ngulo muntu because njengoba ngisho ukuthi we have also other siblings angilandelayo nayo Andile ngulo muntu ongathi I don't believe in being super strict kumuntu Andile I don't tell him this enough ukuthi yena unenhlanhla because he had someone to look up to which is me because khona izimo if engitshela ngazo or like experiences mengitshela ngazo I'm able to tell him ukuthi oh I don't think that's a good idea personally speaking but kukwenza wenza kanjani because nami sometimes kuye kungisiza ukuthi nginabangani abadala kunami like yourself because I have certain things I can speak about now engibe ngithola uma nomuntu who has walked the journey before me so ngingasho ngithi being a bigger brother has always been an issue because mesamba go groove I also had to be the responsible brother yebo lento stuff because
kanti uyahlupha ke futhi dalo yebo
so manje ngikwi era nje ukuthi ngamtshela udlalela imino semncane wena umdala so mina ogada mina ngisamgada so ngingasho ukuthi siyashitizana
bayasiyakadana
awukazi ube kwi-situation yokuthi yena oh my gosh usemgrooveni ngoba sikhuluma ngomgroove nje manje niyazi groovela nama grooves ngihlezi nginibona ngicela ukuthi ungitshele nje ukuthi awukazi ube kwi-situation ukuthi nawe uyamthola umuntu uyakushela mawumthola lo muntu lo yakushela akakubona ukuthi you're a boy
personally mina ngiyakutshela yabo nje futhi nakhona uthi
ukadidiseki
ukuthi ngisho bengazi uyadlala bengazi serious bengazi uyangisesha mina uthi usakhuluma nje nami ngithi mina iyaphuta wami uthini oh okay uyangibona yini no like uyangibona
ngitshela
ngifuna ukubona all the way around because ngenzela ukuthi when we have conversations because mainly daweninto angifuni ukuthi mawuphenduka abangani bakho sebekubuka buyethu mase kube ngathi utrickiwe so I don't want to be in a situation is unsafe cha ngifuna ubone ukuthi funa nakhona noma sekuthiwa sizahamba ngiyakutshela ukuthi nginesikhwama uba isikhwama naso isikhwama sabazo so la siyakona nje you know it's always going to be safe because he's always going to be around I'm always like nje around for him so nje ngingasho ngithi mina nje
Andile can we speak about your spiritual journey
ijeni nje angiqabange enzima namanje futhi ayikazi yabalula ngabona ngisho nje iqiniso ngabona umuntu othi ilula into kuyaphileka
okay kubantu abangazi abangandastand uthene lolu hambo uAndile hamba kulona ngicela ukuthi usichazele lapho kanje
okay uhambo lami mina lumi kanjeni uhambo lami ngisenza kakhulu ngamanzi nangisithunga so I'm off umngoma isangoma but is pure samsi based kakhulu kusebenzeni ngamanzi nokusebenza ngokukhuleka ngokuthandaza but I'm not saying angeke ize ngifike emthini naseyikhwameni but engiphathiswe kona manje ukusebenza ngamanzi nokuphilisa nokuthanda ukukhulekela nje abantu
realize nini ukuthi you're a spiritual person spiritual person.
Mhlawumbe unyaka wesithathu lo. Ngathi unyaka wesithathu sengiconfirma ngempela ukuthi no. Ngiyabona nami ukuthi imehluko akusekhona imehluko eyenzala empilweni zabantu engibathintayo, angibantu engizama ukubasiza khona ushintsho ngabona no. This is real. Yabo lento iyaphila ngaphakathi kumina iyasebenza yabo isiphiwo sami sangempela.
Spiritual journey yakho or your spiritual gift affecta kangakanani i-sexuality yakho?
I'm just gonna say ayizange affect kakhulu because sinabantu abaningi nje abayizangoma bafana nathi so ayizange affect kakhulu ngifuna ngamanga nje nanokuthi into engayisho mhlambe endombeni engangikuyona nganginawo umunye ofana nami ukuthi ngangimona ukuthi okay shoot mhlambe I think we closet uyabo but wayesendumbeni
yasho mngana neminyaka kunawo
wemdala kunami but we closet yabo mina ngifika vele sengibhabhli ngiphaphile uyangibona nje ukuthi hayi okay bakithi yabona ngisamenza lutho phela sewala ekhaya so mangifika endumbeni ngiyabona okay ngifika wafika qala kunami so mefika qala kunami ngabona okay ngiyambona phela ngiyasiyazana sibona uqhamuka kude ngithi okay uchomi lo so uchomi ngamfica endumbeni uchomi okay wagcina kwamsiza ukufika kwami because ezinye izinto zabalula for yena ukuthi bakwazi ukumthola ukuthi ubani because sekwazi uba comfortable ngoba sekufike mina umphaphiyos yabo so se-comfortable yena waziwa kanjalo ukuthi okay chomi
yabo uthi nawe khona indima oyidlalile in that sense because I mean your brother naye wakhona sekwenzile wabona nawe
exactly
keep okay
yeah
let's speak about you and makeup did you study makeup noma wabuka ama YouTube what happened?
I did not study makeup, absolutely not. Ngiyange cosmetology school. Ngingasho ngithi mhlambe because ngumuntu wa homeschool later at high school. So I had a lot of free time, you know. And so ngangihlala nje YouTube. We had Wi-Fi endlini. YouTube ukhona. Ngibuka ku TV. Ngifunde because ngangibhorekile most of the time so i-makeup ngasho ukuthi
iyaqala ngawe
yes ngafundela ebusweni bami ukuthi no kwenziwa kanje ngaze ngathola nami i-technique esisebenzela mina
waqala nini umsaliso wenza abantu waqala wenza abantu basomndeni
ngingasho ngisho ukuthi ngaqala ngomndeni ukutesta italent ukuthi yenzeka noma kwenzeki ngaqala ngomndeni kwenzeka you know and nakhona futhi nje ngihesitate ukuthi ngenza abantu abangaphandle lokho ngenza umndeni up until ngaze ngafila
because bakusiza nabo because ukufila comfortable babe mncoma yabona if noma into ungakayenzi izibe perfect but babe hype ukuthi okay you doing well yabo uyahlangana yabo kancane kwagcina nje
ngicela ukuthi ungitshele Andile nge homophobic incident osewahlangabezana naye yodwa mayikhona
maningi ngizokutshela yodwa leyo ukuthi uhambe nje emgwaqeni yazi ukuthi uhambe nje bahleka abafana okay yabona nje angifuni ngamanga angi-understand into ukuthi okay esikhathini samanje kamaphumulo Nkandla Goli or whatever or uLundi bakhona abantu abafana nathi so yini ethu sabafana abaselokishini uma ngabe uzolokhunja mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi uzobuya esitolo uphuma endlini yesitolo uthi uma uthi ubheka lo phethe isinkwa sakho sekuyahlekwa okay like yini ehlekisayo yini engajwayelekile akekho nomuntu okanjena kimi noma akasoze naphuma umuntu okanjena kimi
abantu ukuthi usabe ngisho nanokuphuma
awusazi manje so uncomfortable ukuthi okay kanti abakaziwa umuntu ofana nathi kuphela ukhona kumabona kude nomuntu njobe khona kumabona kude khona emafonini TikTok khona ku Facebook umfica yonke indawo yini ke thusa uma somona live uyabona so kuyathusa lento ukuthi awukanti abantu bazoze understanding ukuthi bakhona abantu abakanje siphila nabi thina siyaphila
wena Kate
Mina it's very funny. It's funny. It's not even sad actually because it's kwaba right. But sas invitee somewhere well I can't mention the artist rather. Sas invitee siya kwi party yalelo artist lelo. Kuzoba funa music launch / birthday celebration yabo lo muntu loyo. So we went there. Shukuthi because umngane wami has like connections nayo umuntu lo we-artist abo singene kanjalo ke and then sathi sifika lapha yana abo sesubona nje ukuthi there was people who are being like really uncomfortable to a point where shuthi babeyitshela ukuthi thina like we don't have direct communication with the artist yabo So beleke benza ama comments but ngangingabezwa mina but ubone and uyakwazi ukufeel umuntu mengekho right like ngoba usukhona so ngangizwa ukuthi okay some people are not okay but like well anginandaba because angizile kubona.
Who are those people?
I can't
Okay. Okay. No.
Is
it the dancers or is it their friends?
I think it was friends because ama dancers alaba bantu ngiyawazi and ayangazi personally. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi we've been around lo muntu lona we artists and uyaba nama dancers we've been around this person and for me ngathi they're going to watch this video bazobona and bazokhumbula but like laba bantu I think it was friends like abo mutuals or something like that. Moyitshela ukuthi umuntu yabo
ubani uhlaza mshunqasi?
I said I can't.
What
about those?
Okay. Yeah.
But yeah, njengoba ngisho ukuthi but luckily lo muntu ke way address lo situation before because umngane wamtshela ukuthi no we feel uncomfortable because of into enziwa Kate lo muntu way address with those guys and they apologized. So ngisho ukuthi abantu njengoba dichaza andile ukuthi abantu they need to I'm not saying need because manje mengithi need to it's as if it's in a systemic validation. People have to understand because
they have to understand.
In most things ngizosho ukuthi most ethu sizalwe sinje as much as abakhona abantu khona abantu abazali benje most ethu sizalwe sinje khona yes abayibona later in life ukuthi no this is who I am. Nalo deserve the same accept njengathi njoba mina mhlambe ngivele ngimncane akusho ukuthi umuntu maybe lena 45 ngoba wake washada kusambele sim accept so senzela ukuthi kube safe space for wonke umuntu community ukuthi sikwazi ukuhlalelana.
And uyasonto
ngi-atheist mina.
Okay.
Funny. Njengoba ngisho we are the polar opposites. Believer atheist.
Mina ngupastor ngebandla lami imagine the way I drink bra yabo shembuye ngibe namahloni ngisho ukuthi akukhona indaba yenkonzo no nginebandla lami like on njalo on Thursday esigodlweni ngiyasontwa so yes ngiyakhulekisa nje bathe ngikhuleka ngisho ukuthi ngiyakhuleka nje yabo so kube opposite ekuphuzeni kwami kakhulu ugcina ungakholwa ukuthi ayibo umuntu uyasebenza kanti no hayi kuyasetshenzwa impela.
Usekwaba neclient mhlawumbe le homophobic?
No, actually no.
Oh guys.
No, angikabi nebhathi phela lo muntu engangibhuka kanjani yeah situation. Akusayenzi sense shame.
Okay guys, siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nizela nizoshare isistory senu nathi la ku Black Life TV. Uyazi ukuthi into engizoyithandayo yini? Ngizothanda ukuthi wena nawe ninikana ama message ukuthi since it's Pride month uzothanda ukuthini kubhuti wakho nakumbukeli ukuthi yena since we Pride month yiphi message ungathanda ukuthi uyidlulise?
Okay. Message engizoyithanda just abudam because I mean so yonke into iqale ekhaya. Is that never stop loving yourself. It's important ukuthi uyithande wena. Wenzela ukuthi lento engihleze kutshela nokuthi ungeke uphume uyofuna uthando ngaphandle.
Exactly.
Ngoba moyithanda wena kuzoba lula nawe ukuthi as umndeni sikuthande. Because akulula ukuthanda umuntu ongayithandi.
Yes.
And when it comes to the viewers, I think it's really important ukuthi umuntu ebe neqiniso with themselves. Mengithi ebe neqiniso angisakhulumi ngesexuality but ngikhuluma ngereality yakhe. Ebe neqiniso to themselves. Either you're struggling, either you izinto zakuhambela kahle, either uyazama ukuhlanganisa. Just be truthful with yourself because uma uba neqiniso now uyakwazi ukuvuka ekseni ube nemoto yokuthi let me go get this bread. If that makes sense.
It does. Thank you.
Okay, nje beshile yokuthi iqale ekhaya nami ngikuwena manje. Engizosho nje ukuthi uqhubeke uyithande, uqhubeke nje uyibeke phambili kuko konke nje ubuhlalo ibeka phambili. Yes, ngisho ukuthi abanye abantu ungabathandi, ungabakhathalele but ubuhlalo uzoyibeka because kubalekile ukuyibeka wena kuqala empilweni because ngekho umuntu umuntu ongakubeka wena kuqala if ungayibeki wena njengoba dusha. Uqhubeke futhi uyithande ngohlala ngikuthanda bhuti wami. And ema viewers ekhaya ngicela ukuthi ababukeli June njengoba kuyi-June bani kwi-Pride so njengoba kwi-Pride elokuthi nje niyithande nonke abukela nabalalele niyithande nonke ngicela futhi ukuthi nje siyeke lento engazi ukuthi kuba khona i-competition engazi ukuthi iba khona kulento ethi sithandane sibumbane sikhathalelane uyabona sibe there for each other ungabe ukuthi uzothi kuthubani uhlebe ngubani ubani ucompete ngubani nje sakhane kube khona ushintsho kulonyaka i-Pride yakulonyaka ibe nje neshintsho ingafani eminye iminyaka kuthiwa nje hawo sasathandana as gays yabo ngoba yes uthando likhona but kunalokho nje ukuthi okay yabo there's a competition. So ngathi siyafisa ukuthi leyo nto ngathi ngazwakala ukuthi no, ngazi ukuthi singabuyisa le nto ethe unit.
Ungephi njengamanje empilweni?
Empilweni njengamanje ngumuntu who still trying to find themselves career wise. Ngingasho ukuthi I took a mental break from everything, from makeup, from umsebenzi because I was doing admin work, from everything. Njoba ngisho ukuthi I think taking care of your mind, body and soul. Right, ngizothi nami ngiphuma ngaphandle ngibe ne-energy right to meet every struggle and every obstacle.
Wena ungephi empilweni njengamanje?
Mina for now ngibhizi akumsebenzi wedlozi amethetshekile okwamanje into umsebenzi ongu-MC ngama kancane kona but okwamanje I'm still building the profile yami ukuba I wanna be an influencer and I'm gonna do nje ngayo yonke indlela nje amandla ukuthi ngize ngifike ekutheni kube khona abantu ngiyakuthanda ukuthi kube khona abantu ababukela kumina into enhle because ngiyavele yabo follow I'm Delish SA on IG and on Facebook I'm Andile Siyanda Khuzwayo on TikTok I'm Andile Khuzwayo so kuningi nje but khona la ngangithola khona
your handles
K_Shozi or just K_Shozi on every social media platform.
Niyazi-ke guys, sila Leon's Lifestyle Lounge. Search Leon's Lifestyle Lounge on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Sizothanda ukuthi nesibonge ukuthi ube nathi. Siyacela-ke ningakhohlwa ukuthi ni-comment nisazise uma ukuthi ninemibuzo eningayibuzanga. Ngoba phela siyazi ukuthi sizobabiza bonke ngeshow yethu yokugcina lapho esizobe sibabiza siphendula yonke imibuzo eningayibuza. Le show lesi singathanda ukuthi iqhubeke. Uma nawe ungathanda ukuthi iqhubeke futhi sicela ukuthi usazise, ushareishe noma uthanda ukuthi ukwazi okunye nokunye okwenzakalayo kwi-Alphabet Gang phecelezi LGBTQI+ gang. Before nje ngivale ngizothanda ukuthi ningazise ukuthi kahle kwezothando asiqale ngawo. When was your first love?
Njengoba ngisho mina-ke ngangawini late bloomer. Everything happened so early for me. Ngangise-primary, I think I was grade 6.
Okay. That was your first love.
Yeah, first love, like someone I loved officially and someone I kissed officially.
Oh my God.
Grade 6.
Who was it?
Umuntu wesilisa.
Umuntu ofunda naye.
Yes, eklasini.
Oh my.
And the class lonke liyazi. Because njengoba bahleka ababukeli because I'm sure they're going to watch. They are laughing.
Oh my God.
They are laughing.
Okay, abantu bagcine bazi ngalokubulana kwenu.
No, like ngathini we had a playful relationship lento ukuthi wayesethi intombi yakhe.
Yeah.
But nami nginga-understand ngentombi yakhe kanjani but like intombi yakhe but
that's Zalisa.
Kube intombi yakhe.
Yes.
Even nalo malanga ngivuma kube intombi yakhe ngalo malanga but
yena manje?
Where is he? Njengamanje because I have him on socials. I have him on socials. Uhlezi comment kwizinto zami. He has a baby now, so I'm not sure his sexuality. I'm fully kumkhulumela, but right now he does have a baby. Selling honest naye and ukuthi umuntu because he has family in like other countries like Africa. So umuntu travelisha abo back and forth. But nje ngingasho ukuthi angiyazi sexuality yena mina ngila.
Yeah. Yabo maganga okay short guys abantu okufanele ukuthi bahloniphe. Abanye benu nina najola labantu abawusicapha abanye nabantu traveling within countries.
Oh no.
No, ngisho ukuthi abanye babukeli ama ex abo ukuthi umuntu wena wayusicapha. Can you tell me about the first time having sex?
Hello.
The first time I had sex I had to ask myself that question.
How old were you?
Because I don't think I've really processed.
How old were you? How old were you?
I feel like I don't want to divulge your information because I don't want to look bad on the internet. But at the time I was 19 and I was seeing someone like officially in a relationship.
Okay.
But then ngangisaba lento ukuthi yena uqala ukulala nomuntu.
Did you plan for it?
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Mine was very planned.
Yes.
Mina ngiyiplana. So mine was planned from the start with who, what day, how it's gonna happen.
Lubricant, condom.
But the problem was when I planned it, angiplananga nalo muntu engangijola naye at the time because I had the fear ukuthi umuntu uqala ukulala naye. Uba ne-inkling angikwazi ukuhlukana naye kubone leyo nto. So like even my friends confirmed ukuthi nabo ukuthi ube namhlanje abakwazi. So I was like, you know what, no, angekwazi. Ngcono nginikeze someone else that I don't care about but I feel like I'm going to be safe with them. So I started to speak to umuntu eceleni while I'm in a relationship with this person. I know.
Oh my God.
and then,
were you cheating or was it just for sex?
I don't, in my head I don't think I was cheating at the time, but now obviously I was cheating because njengoba ngishilo ngathi be exclusive relationship yethu. But ngangisaba ukulala naye. Qala ngoba ngangisaba lento ukuthi ngizolokho ngigaxele kuyena. So ngalala nomuntu engangajoli ke naye cabange ngakhuluma naye inyangana ngabona ukuthi no, I'm comfortable with this person and it happened as I thought it would. So there was not much attachment because my feelings angekho too much towards lo muntu.
Asise kuwena ngephansi.
Yeah. Ngibuza.
How old were you? How old were you?
Ngiqala kwenza sex.
Yeah.
Kangenanga, I think I was 18. Angeke 19.
Oh, okay.
19. You know nje 19, 18, 19. Lapho
I'm
nje.
sure you can't accept.
No, ngizama ukukhuluma ukuthi phela ngithi manje sengibe out nje ukuthi sengiyaziwa wonke umuntu ukuthi okay angikanjena uyabona. So anje ngifuna uqama I think I was 18.
Was the person older?
Yeah. Wemdala shembandla.
Kakhulu.
Hayi kakhulu Ngapha wemdala kunami but wengamdala kakhulu. Yeah. So nje eshembandla experience engaba nayo nemnandi nje ngifuna ukudlala ngani ngingantshenje imnandi ukuthi ayi ngathi umuntu ayi ngathi unginikise but nje kwakumnandi ngifuna ukuqamba amanga. Yabo ngathi nje ungaba nezinto zokuthi ngathi ukalo kuthiwa namhlanje sekubreak nakalala sekubreak yabo kuba mnandi yes athona la nje ngifuna ukusho nje iqiniso libe lihle nje ukuthi no yabo nje ngathi ngaba nemalanga ukuthi namhlanje ngiyabreak namhlanje ngiyabreak kunalokho yabo but I don't enjoy shame sex nje ukuthi jawulewe gazi nje ngaphinde ngibreak
asikhuluma ngomjolo njengamanje
ukuthi khona
yeah
njengamanje
ngenzela phela sibathanda kakhulu ababukeli bethu
yebo
sifuna ukuthi mawukuthi siyazi ukuthi kahle ku Kate Shows basende inbox ethini
well, whatever I'm going to say, it doesn't matter because bazo send that anyway. But ngingasho ngithi khona esixoxisana nabo.
Yep.
Siyaxoxa kuphela.
Yep. Safa kwama CV.
How long has the conversation been?
Usually conversation yami last a month and a half to 2 months before ngi decide ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Okay.
So a consistency so ngibuthi ihamba kanjani, affection ihamba kanjani, how do you talk to me yabo nje like yonke into ngisengisayicheck.
Guys, to cut matters short, Kate shows usingile, so it's safe to send them an inbox. Asize ngawe. How's your love life?
Yo, very toxic. Yo, mina nje ngifuna uqamba kumanje nje.
Abu yaqanywa yini?
I know ngqenya no. Uthani. Kanti engayisho nje no ngeke ongaqenywana. So into engayisho nje ukuthi ngiyajola inyanga ngijola 2 weeks nginenhlanhla nje yokujola nje khuleka ngiyajola nje namanje ngisangaphuma ngijole mase sengifuna sengikhathele ngashiya kulowo muntu osheshanele ngishiyo yabo so nje uthando lona likhona manje akekho bakithi.
Oh, so people can see
akekho bakithi ngeke ngithi ukhona
abantu bengafaka ama series.
Ngwalindile.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Andile Khuzwayo on Facebook, Andile Siyanda Khuzwayo on Facebook, Kate Shows on Facebook, across social media platforms. Nigga was guys, they're single and they're brothers and they're amazing.
And you're ready to mingle.